Okay, good morning. My sound is audible. Double F. Hello, hello. My sound is audible. Hello, hello. Yes. Okay. Thank you. So once again, good mornings to all of you. Last lectures we have gone through the revision of multiple choice of questions on chapter numbers one and second chapters. So today, as possible as we can cover chapter number 3 and chapter number 4. Okay. Uh, so here's industrial safety part. This is our chapter number 3. So we'll continue this objective questions, expected objective questions. It is asked in last examinations, even though we will go for explanation of the same. So here work study helps off. So here's reduce the cost of product is the standard time for operations, better workplace layout and value analysis. So here work study normally uh, we can use for number of purpose, but here in this B it is given establish the standard times for operation. So work study normally standard time calculations we can use here. How to calculate the standard times? Observe times we have to note down, and after that forms rating in percentage. After that you can add the allowances. Uh, Your contingency allowances and personal allowance, then you will get standard time. Plant location selection process involves in uh, second here this is the related to ergonomics. Plant location selection process involves in regional selection, ergonomics, merit rating. So ergonomics is the correct answer. Group incentive scheme is suitable for group incentive scheme in ergonomics. Question number 3 D question is there. So here trainee engineer group incentive scheme it has been used. Then study of measurement of dimension and other physical characteristics is it. Answer number 1, that is A, anthropometry. So this is related to measurements of physical characteristics. This is the important questions. Anthropometry, it is related to physical characteristic measurements. Then next, ILO. So what is that ILO? Uh, International Labor Organization. This is the meaning of ILO, International Labor Organizations. Then next, question 6 is that factory affect the working conditions. Factory affect the working conditions, plant lighting, ventilations. This is the answer. Then ergonomics deals with anthropometry, time measurement, aesthetic designs, and none of these. Here, aesthetic design and anthropometry both are getting the correct answer in the ergonomics, because the aesthetic it is the part of ergonomics and anthropometry it is also part of ergonomics. So here two answers are correct, but here in the question and answer they have given only one answer, that is anthropometry. Aesthetic designs, this is also part of ergonomics. So you can get it check and rectify that answer. Ergonomics deals with the two parts, that is aesthetic as well as anthropometric. Then factor affecting working condition, light and ventilation. This is a very important uh, process chart, swing diagram, material handling. It is not part of the working condition. Working condition is ventilation and light. ILO, International Labour Organization. Measurement study of the physical character anthropometry. Group incentive normally in a trainee engineers weekend. So this is some questions to be asked under this ergonomics and industrial safety. So very less weightage is there related to the chapters. So let us we go to the next chapters. Chapters number 4. So our chapter number 4, that is work measurements. So what is the actually advantages of PMTS? PMTS means what? Predetermined motion time system or study. So here predetermined motion time study. So here what is the advantages of this? So let us we go through the first permits handling of large loads. Nothing any relation. Short cycle jobs can be timely accurate, result oriented or consistent, higher utilization of production facility. So short cycle times means it is related to motion. So let us we see the answer of the first. So answer first B is there. Why B? Because here short cycles it is related to motion study, because EMTS, predetermined motion time study, it is related to motion. Small motions we can capture by the camera, then video, and that we can analyze. So that's why the short cycle jobs can be timely accurate by using this PMTS. Normal times or basic times. What is the next name for normal times? Basic time. This is equal to dash dash into performance rating divided by 100. So here's always you have to keep in your mind while calculating a standard times. First we will calculate the normal or basic time. Normal or basic time, which is depends upon observed times. So observed times into performance rating divided by 100, it is equal to normal or basic time. So here answer B, this is the correct. Observed times into performance rating divided by 100, normal times will get. In that, if you add the different types allowance, maybe personal allowance or contingency allowance, you will get standard times. Then questions number 3 is there. So 1 TMU. What is the meaning of TMU? Time measurement unit. So one time measurement unit is equal to how much? So here's 1 TMU is equal to 0.006 minutes. So answer C. This is the correct. Let us we see what is given here. C 3C correct. So this is the time measurement unit is equal to 0.006. The answer is correct. Then next motion times measurements, unit of time measurement is, what is that? Centimeters, minutes, TME or hours. So hours should not be there. Once again it is related to TME. So let us see the fourth number. Fourth number 3, correct? So method times measurements, unit of time measurements, that is the time measurement unit. So answer C is there, the method times measurement unit of time measurement is. Now question number 5, which type of allowance depends upon management decisions? See that there are number of allowance, maybe your personal allowance, contingency allowance, special allowance, a policy allowance, interference allowance, correct. But normally in calculations, we require only two types of allowance. That is the uh, personal allowance, and next is your uh, contingency allowance. But one of the allowance out of these five, six allowance, one allowance it is related to management and which has not included in the time standard calculation. So this is actually policy allowance. Each type of allowance depends upon management decision policy allowance. So here's C is the correct answer, policy allowance. Then merit rating is used for. It's merit rating. So this question is related to our last chapter, job evaluation and merit rating. So merit rating, it is performance appraisal, job evaluation, industrial safety, machine allowance. So this merit rating, it is related to the worker uh, performance checking. If you want to check the performance of workers, then it will comes under the merit rating. So performance appraisals, it is nothing but our merit rating. Six. Then we go to the seventh. Personal allowance for male worker. Male workers personal allowance. How much? So let us we see the answer. Seventh, is it correct or not? A. That is the 5%. Personal allowance for male worker is the 5%. And for female, it is more than this 5% because the personal allowance it is more given to female. For male, it is 5%. Tool grinding, it is the examples of personal allowance, fatigue allowance, policy allowance. So tool grinding. So let us consider one operation is going on, and in process of the operation, sometimes you will feel that you are not getting a good surface finish. Then you will feel that there is problems in the tool. So there is a need to grind it. Means this uh, needed times actually occasionally will occur. It is not predicted any times this time will be there. So tool grinding it comes under the contingency allowance, emergency allowance. Within the process, it is not fixed. Any times it will come. Then tool grinding is the examples of contingency allowance. Okay. So this is the eight numbers. Now we'll go to the nine. Average rating of worker during time study. Average rating. So let us we see the nine number average rating, performance rating. So here it is a 100%. Average rating of the workers during time study means skill, experience, and the working speed. It has been normally decided the 100% performance. So with the help of this 100%, we can compare with others. So average rating of worker during time study is 100. Work sampling is used for idle times of job performance and accuracy. So here's idle times calculations. We can use the different chart, job analysis. This is related to job evaluation. Performance analysis. It is related to job merit. Accuracy. This is related to work sampling because it comes under the statistical things. It comes under the statistical thing. Then next, some of the basic time and allowance are called normal. Some of the basic time. Basic times are normal time and allowance is called normal time, standard time, observed time, base time. So many times I repeated. Once again, I will repeat normal or basic time. Normal or basic time is equal to observed times into performance rating divided by 100. Okay. So once this calculation is over, then in that we can add the allowance. Then it will become standard time. So here standard times, basic times or normal times plus allowance, this is called the standard time. Time for tool grinding considered as. Once again, repeated question is there. Means without reductions, sometimes we need to go for tool grinding. Emergency case, power off, contingency allowance, tool grinding, contingency allowance, immediate maintenance problems in the machine will occur, contingency allowance. So here tool grinding is the contingency allowance. Then 13, once again repeated question is there. MTM, unit of time measurement, that is the TMU, time measurement unit. MTM, time measurement unit. So this one time measurement, it is equal to 0.006. Dash dash allowance is the management discretions. Here, whenever management word will be there, policy allowance will be there. Following technique of work measurement is based on statistics. Just now I have given the brief explanation. Work sampling, which is based upon statistics. Okay, number of samples, accuracy, confidence level. We have solved one numerical problem from this, how to calculate number of observations. So work sampling, it is based upon this statistical theory. Then 16. Dash is given to compensate for energy expended during the working. Energy is given to compensate for energy expended during the working. Allowance for personal interference allowance, allowance for basic fatigue. So let us see the question number 16. What is the answer for this 16 numbers? There is no answer. They have not given 16 numbers. So what is the answer for energy? Energy related to fatigue. It is given to compensate the energy expended during the working. So in the working condition, problems energy we get wasted, and to compensate this we require the fatigue allowance. Dash dash is given to operator for time necessary to leave the workplace to attend personal like drinking water, washing hands. This is the personal allowance. Personal needs, personal allowance should be there. Women require dash dash allowance than man. More large personal allowance, 5% less personal, smaller personal, large personal allowance, women should require than man. Contingency allowance should not be exceed than. So how much the contingency allowance is there? So here should not be exceeded than how much? 10% maximum. 5%, sorry, 5% contingency allowance should not be exceeded in the 5%. 20 number, dash are not the genuine part of the time state and should be used with almost care and only clearly defined circumstances. See that dash are not genuine part of time study and should be used with At most fear and only it is clearly defined circumstances. Genuine part of the time study. Not genuine. Policy allowance is not genuine part of our time study. Basic fatigue allowance each. Basic fatigue allowance, how much there is? 6%, 7%, 4%, 2%. So here we can use the 6% basic fatigue allowance. Observed time is 5, performance rating is 1, normal time is how much? So observed time is 5 into 120 divided by 100. So he will get normal time. So 5 into 120 divided by 100. How much here? 120 divided by 100. 6. 6 minutes. This is the correct. Work sampling is used for finding utilization of job analyst performs accuracy. Once again, repeated question is that now 24th numbers. Which of the following chart required time scale? Time scale where we required multiple activity charts. Time scale is required. Multiple activity charts. 24 numbers. 24 numbers is their answer. Answer is not given, but here's multiple activity chart. Time scale is required for. Standard time for job it is equal to basic plus relation total work and contingent allowance total work and relaxation allowance. So first basic work contain plus relaxation allowance. Then 26. If normal time of the operator 2.4, so observed time is performance rating of operator each. Normal time 2.4. Observed time is given performance rating reverse way we can calculate. So here normal time for basic time that is equal to observed times into the performance rating. This should be in 100. So here's observed time it is given 2. Normal time is given 2.4. So 2.4 divided by 2. Correct. So here is the performance rating is 120. 1.2. So here answer C is the correct. C is the correct. So uh, this is the objective type of questions to be asked in your multiple choice of questions in your exam. So some of the questions before 5 minutes we'll discuss. Other than this, other than this, some questions expected to be asked in your exams. So ergonomics or next name of ergonomics that is human engineering. This is the next questions. Next name of ergonomics that is human engineering. Uh, now man machine system where we can use man machine system. This can be used in human engineering or ergonomics. Now, what are the aspect of man machine system? So different aspect of man machine systems are display controls and working condition. Display control and working conditions. Then design of the workplace. So floor plate it is related to the assembly of the job, design of the workplace. So this is about ergonomics related questions will be there. Then insurance that is related to industrial safety. ILO this is related to industrial safety. Uh, then different types of schemes for labors. This is related to industrial safety. Then next part, that is the work measurement. Objective questions we'll see. Additional objective questions. Uh, Main objective of work measurement, the cost related is their main objective. Uh, Techniques of the work measurement. So here work sampling, then predetermined motions, time study, then the work sampling. Now one more questions, normally it has been asked in your exams. Time study where it is suitable. Short cycle, repetitive job is there, we can use time study. Work sampling, large or mass production jobs are we can use. Synthetic data, short cycle we can use. Then method times measurements. Method time measurement, it is related to manual operation related to one work center. And analytical sampling, this is related to short cycle, non-repetitive jobs. Short cycles, non-repetitive jobs. Now, method of time study, stopwatch methods, then time recording machine and motion picture camera. So these are the method of time studies. Then work sampling, this is related to your statistical methods and it contains the accuracy and confidence levels. Types of allowances, relaxation allowance, interference allowance, contingency and policy allowance. So relaxation and contingency allowance, it is the part of your standard times calculations. Relaxation allowance, it contains personal need allowance and also fatigue allowance. A woman requires a longer personal allowance than man. It is commonly 5% for man and 7% for women. So this point you have to remember. Personal allowance for man 5% and for women 7%. Fatigue allowance, generally consider fatigue allowance is 4%. 4% we can use the fatigue allowance. Then numerical problems will be there. And who has done the work for work sampling, that is LHC Tippett, a British scientist is there for work sampling. What is actually need of work sampling? Productive times and idle time of machines in specific area. Idle times calculation purpose, maybe machine idle times or man idle times, or number of samples we required in the work sampling plans. So here's determination of number of operations, which confidence levels normally we can use, that is the 95% confidence levels we can use. So these are the objective type questions related to work measurements. So other than this, not a single question is going to ask in your exam. Okay, so this is about the objective questions expected to be asked in your exam. Work measurement shows, then uh, some work measurements we required these time measurements, predetermined time study in that at least 4 5 motion activity should be there, grasping, reaching, handling, like this activity will be there. And from this basis we can decide the time required for each motion, and in that we can add the allowance, which will become a standard time. So this is about the PMTS. So today we have covered the objective types of questions related to chapter number 3 and chapter number 4. So anybody having any problems, you can ask just 1 minute with us. Next time we'll see the objective questions on the chapter number 5th and 6th. Okay. So thank you once again to all of you. We will stop here. Our time is over. Thank you.